Got a shooter over the horizon.
Don't know what that means. All I know is I need a gun.
YouTube, what's going on? We're back, and we got a big one for you today. And by big one, I mean massive one. And by massive one, I mean gigantic. So stay tuned. We have a 4th of July video. It's a 2v2v2, two-person scramble, red, white, and blue challenge. We're playing 2 holes from the reds, 2 holes from the whites, 2 holes from the blue. We got Team Founding Fathers, Ben Franklin, George Washington. We got Team Beach Bums that consist of Big Ev, and we got Cooper Berg filling in today for us. He is new to the channel. Dirty couldn't be here. So Coop, thanks for being here. Appreciate it. Team Beach Bums, and last but not least, we got Team Uncle Sam that consists of Bergie and Fallis. Fallis' second video on the channel. His first one was a banger. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. 2v2v2, red, white, and blue challenge, 2-person scramble, and there is a big winner for the prize today that will be explained at the end. Big winner, you're gonna want it. Let's lock in today, and let's see if we can be great.
Let's go.
Hole number 1 here. We're doing the first 2 holes from the reds, second 2 holes from the whites, third 2 holes from the blues. We're gonna T-flip to see which team goes first.
This.
Come on.
Hey! Oh. Yeah. We don't want it.
Oh, I like that.
All right, we get to go last. We get to see what everyone does.
I like that.
This is what dreams are made of right here, boys.
Ready for the beach,
You're
good.
I played with John the other day.
Crush! Wow!
Dirty would never!
Already better than dirty. 1 shot in. Great shot.
One Welcome to the channel, Cooper Berg.
I'm for sure not keeping my spot. Like, Cooper's taking me for sure.
That's why. That's why.
I love it. Wowzers, that team came ready to play.
We got off.
They already played. Hey,
All right,
you're out
played around. All right.
Cheaters. What you don't see is Ratatouille is controlling Colby right now. The hat under the hat. I love the double.
He got 2 hats.
Oh. No, he's good. Oh, that's red. That's reds.
Oh, you're short.
No matter what.
Field back there, to be honest.
I don't know you guys are on this hole.
It's all right.
I don't
We'll
think
be in the hole pretty quickly.
I've never
Yeah.
played
All
from
right.
this hole.
All right, Ben, I'm sorry.
That swing looks so good.
Do you need a ponytail? My wife's got one.
Can you play with this golfing technology, or should we set you back a few years?
Never saw it. Yes. Right.
It'll be.
Crush. Hat came off.
Yeah!
Woo! Yeah, we'll take that. That's
It's
good.
been real nice.
Nice shot, sir.
Oh.
Nice shot. Nice shot.
Shot a video too.
I don't know how you do that. That's good too. Oh,
Deep.
wow.
A little deep.
Way deep.
Kick right. Be pretty good. You putt that.
Ooh,
all right.
It did. It's a nice little 2-putt. Came back.
All right. It's okay. Let's make a putt.
Big Ben, baby.
No pressure, but there's pressure on this shot.
Oh.
That's gonna work out.
Nice.
All right.
Ev, better than that.
This is where Ev thrives.
Tank top Ev came to play, baby.
I love tank top Ev.
Hoodie Mello, mask LeBron,
And tank top Ev.
Flu Jordan, tank top Ev. What a dog.
Just gotta fall down that hill.
Go down the hill, baby.
Oh, too much touch.
Putt for Coop.
Gotta go.
He may have gotten it.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
He may
Ev.
have gotten it.
Oh,
He
Ev.
may have gotten it.
Oh, Ev.
Oh! Let's go!
What a putt! What a dog!
Good putt.
Oh.
Ain't no tears.
Dang it.
Wow, good putt.
Woo!
Oh, baby.
Bryce.
Boom! Benjamin!
Wow.
Let's go, dude. Boom! I didn't even see the ball go in.
Oh, you hate to see it.
That is dirty. That is dirty.
You couldn't get a better
D-Row.
line than that, Berg.
Oh, imagine making par.
A little hard.
All right.
We're okay.
That's a good first hole. That is a good first hole.
Don't let the founding fathers get hot.
You guys are in trouble.
I can't imagine.
You guys are already hot. Look at what you're wearing.
got-
oh god.
oh my, you might.
Here. I think you're actually supposed to wear it like this. I think it's that. I think it's spike backwards.
No. Trust me, I know.
After one, Team Founding Fathers, Connor and I, 1 under. Team Beach Bums, Coop and Big Ev 1 under. And Team Uncle Sam,
Even, baby.
Bergie, and Follis are even. So a lot of golf left to be played, but it's a hot start. Let's see if we can keep it going.
I've never been.
Uh-oh.
Huh?
I heard ground.
Yeah, he's up there.
He's safe.
Okay.
That's all I need.
I never saw the ball.
Oh, Ev.
pretty good.
All over it.
Aim towards the middle.
Yep.
That'll work.
That'll be
Backside.
nice.
It's
That'll be hold off, but he's all right.
That'll
Never saw it.
Great shot.
got it.
And
It
he's
was
right
right
at
at
it. Short,
Yeah.
maybe. Nice shot.
Nice.
Right on.
Oh.
It's short from the white, but we ain't playing the white.
Oh, George, all
Hold
over
on,
it.
hold on. That's
all
good.
over it.
All right, dead center green.
Yeah.
Let's spun back.
A lot of
There we
spin.
go.
All right.
2 good shots.
Yeah, we'll take them. Option.
Stay left. Stay left.
A little pushed. A little
Just
pushed.
off.
Farted. And I got wet
Ben.
because of it.
Well, number 1.
Nice shot, Berg.
my
Very
God.
nice,
That's
Braden.
nice. That's going right.
Very
down the
nice.
Can we get a zoom in? Can we get a zoom
I think it's
And
a
it's
long.
long.
It
A
stayed
little
up.
deep, but
Nice
you're
shot.
good.
Water. A little firm.
Settle.
Definitely.
I don't know about that.
Different.
Good line.
Nice.
Good
Yeah.
putt.
Good putt.
The grass caught it.
Oh,
Get
that's
there.
just absolutely terrible.
That's putt Colby.
Absolutely terrible.
He's all over it, baby. He's all over it. Colby,
That
all
was good.
over it.
That was
Turn.
really good.
He's got
Turn.
it. Oh, it didn't turn.
Great speed. You're good there.
Wow.
I think it did just a little bit. I don't
This is uphill. You don't want to leave it.
know. Got it. Stay up.
Wow. That's really good.
Come on, George.
George Washington, a big fan of Ray-Bans.
That ain't gonna do it.
I think you're good there.
Team pars? Team pars!
Evan.
Uh-oh!
You!
Uh-oh! There's no crying. No crying.
Oh, this is pressure.
Oh, gosh.
No pressure.
Got it.
No pressure.
Big time players.
Great putt. Let me grab your team.
Right down the loin.
Love that. Hey,
What a
to be
beat.
honest, I'm gonna be really honest. Very scared.
Hole number 3. Let's see. Team Founding Fathers and Beach Bums are 1 under, and Team Uncle Sam is even through 2. We're back at the whites now, so we got 2 holes from the whites now, everybody. Reds are done, so no more easy birdies, and let's see what we can do.
Sun's out, guns out. Come on back.
Get in the sand. Get in the sand.
Bunker. Beach bums on the beach.
Yeah, it's true.
In the words of SpongeBob, white stuff. I didn't know you were a lifeguard. If I would have known being a lifeguard was guarding their lives, I never would have done it. Talk to me.
Perfect.
Get, yes.
Beach.
Uh-oh.
Get in the sand.
Beach.
Get in the sand.
Sand.
Yeah, he's short. He's like 150 yards short of the sand. Hey, Dad. He's got dad strength now. Is that a thing, Cody? Is there anything really heavy you've lifted? You're like, I couldn't lift that before.
Not yet.
Not yet.
That is
Where
so
did
high.
that go?
So high.
Don't work.
Did you
That'll work.
I mean, you're
Dude, I love the dedication of the video going red ball.
Yeah, George. That's my president.
That's gonna be fun video turn
gonna be
golf
okay, though.
emergency.
Yeah, it's gonna be all right.
You don't got no pressure, baby.
Yeah, baby.
Bunker.
We'll meet you.
Definitely bunker.
Nice catch, Berg. Bunker.
Gotta be.
There's no weight still in the air, so someone say something.
What is happening
Dude.
to us?
No
Bunker.
Beach day.
Nah, it's not in the shore.
Who needs a fairway? Who needs a...
grass?
Oh, there.
Stay
Oh,
right.
right
Stay right. It's stay out of the bunker. We're good up there.
We got
Braden?
Maybe over.
Braden?
I don't know. Maybe over. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's go.
Let's go.
It's pretty hot, Jace.
Dude, I'm like struggling to
But-
breathe a little bit. Like heavy breathing.
You know what? As Washington was crossing the Delaware, it's probably a little cold.
Stay out of it.
You're deep. In the tree.
Oh my, what did you get?
You tired? You yawning, Jace? I gave you a hot dog.
Just drink a
The
bang.
glizzy gobbler over here.
Drink a Bang Energy and figure it out.
I
Come on,
appreciate the
Ev.
hot dog.
I'll buy that hat from you.
Dude, I hit the string on my backswing. Stupid thing.
You're $10.
You're fine though.
As two of America's most influential people, one might say, drop some knowledge for the people out there. Go for it.
I wasn't prepared for this.
When life
Brings you chaos, you face it head on.
You alright?
Yeah, we're gonna fight Team Founding Fathers.
Oh no. Oh, love that. Yeah. Love that.
Only 200.
I told them, but they don't know yet.
I told them, but they don't know yet. Would you?
See,
I mean, I guess
I
Uncle
think
Sam-
you could take maybe both of them.
The problem is I look like Rex Kwando.
Okay, here's the deal. It's a 2v2. I think you take both of them. I think Berg holds you back. I don't think
You 2v1 them.
I don't. Connor's a big boy.
Connor is a big boy.
Be fighting in these outfits.
Would you rather?
No,
fight?
I get naked and take him by surprise.
You're talking the greatest American general of all time. You're going in there.
Yeah, well,
with
he never saw the British do
with
that.
your privates flinging.
He never saw the British do that. Drop their skivvies and start running at them.
I mean,
It's Uncle Sam.
Me. And I promise you guys don't
You
hold
actually?
that.
We'll fight you.
Why? Who's saying that? The other member. Why?
Did you hear that?
Yeah, I did. And I hear him talking about the greatest American general. They lose that battle 9 times out of 10.
it's so weird in this. Look at the people around, and I feel weird. Why?
I never saw the ball.
Right. You're in the native.
Sorry, I can't see.
What? Oh, you're good, man.
We're way over here. I don't know how you would ever know someone's over here.
It's hot.
I am baking.
Somebody get that. Oh, he's getting it currently.
Thank you.
Getting it.
Oh yeah, I think
Hold me up, please. Hold me up.
Hyperventilating. Somebody get ready to call 911.
It's really hot.
We're dropping like flies out here.
Really about
Do it. Do it.
Crossing the Delaware River.
Come on, Ben.
Benjamin.
That's why he's on a $1 bill.
No
That's
way,
not
I just
right.
did that.
100.
I mean, I've never done that in my life.
Have you heard
He's
of
on the $1 bill.
I've never owned a $100 bill before.
Everybody get that on camera.
It feels so right to be here with you. Whoa. That's fine.
That's good. That's on 16 T-ball.
What is that?
No,
Three?
it's
What is
not.
that? 3 times the
The only
hat's
thing
falling
not
off?
fine about that is Berg.
This is right where I belong. It's like I'm sneaking up on a surprise attack.
Sit. That's real good. Gosh. Wow! What a shot!
Gosh dang. Wow! Oh.
I hate that
Yours is much.
for all the other nations.
It did earlier.
As much as you think.
That's really good.
Krue! Krue!
That's a really good shot, dude.
Yeah, it is.
Let's go. All right, I get the club length.
Hey, if you move it back here.
It was right here.
Turn more.
Got a shooter over the horizon.
Don't know what that means. All I know is I need a gun.
Dude.
Honestly, almost peed my pants. Almost peed my pants.
That's the key. He didn't get enough of it.
Ow.
It's all right.
That's really good. That's right. Hit the
Sick.
pin.
It's so long. Didn't go
It did not
nearly
break
as much right as you thought.
much
As
at
I
all.
thought too. It really doesn't move at all.
Make a wish.
Becoming the first president of the U.S. and a war general?
Yeah.
Or Krue golf?
Sure.
Honestly,
man.
the way
He's
Krue
got
golf's
no
going right
lie.
now, probably Krue golf.
Yeah, Krue golf over.
And we have like electricity and Wi-Fi and stuff like that.
True.
Discovering electricity?
Well, yeah.
Edison was
That
a
was
light bulb.
That was Thomas Edison.
Franklin was electricity.
Franklin.
Yeah.
Oh, then Thomas
Edison
Edison
did
got
that light
Hey,
bulb.
let's learn our history here, guys.
Got it.
Oh, straight as an arrow.
Yeah.
The right side.
Oh,
Wow.
wow. Anything to get off this green and get in some shade.
I think everyone parred the hole.
Yep.
Therefore, Team Founding Fathers are 1 under, Team Beach Bums are 1 under, and Team Uncle Sam is even. We got 3 holes to go, 3 down. We still have 2 from the Blues too, which could really change the game up a little bit. So let's just see what happens.
Come on, Coop.
Oh, it's great.
Oh, what?
Baby.
Oh, it's
Four,
covered in the
just in
middle?
case, you know?
I'm never joining
Shut up,
this
Coop.
channel.
Is it right down the middle?
Yeah.
Great ball.
Nice.
That's a little left. I can never see the ball.
It's okay. Dude,
Yeah.
it's red.
You'll find it. It's right.
Okay.
Oh. Yeah.
Baby.
Yes. Come on.
Cody, just zoom in straight down the middle.
Let's go.
Gosh.
Boom.
Back. That's nice.
Oh, that's great.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
It's gonna be really far.
Where'd it go? Down the middle.
Watch out, Cody! Cody!
Oh!
Where'd it go?
Ben.
That's perfect.
Oh, Ben.
Get the sand.
Get the sand ready.
That came off awfully
That's
clean.
beautiful. That's beautiful. Woo! Oh, stay up.
Great shot.
Uh-oh. Heads up, heads up. Sorry. I got worried.
Great shot.
Uh-oh. That's not.
Can we not talk in each other's backswings like for real though?
Yeah, sorry.
Nice
Pretty
putt.
good. That's pretty
Nice
good.
putt. Nice putt, Coop.
Really good. Good putt. Nice. Thank you.
A lot more right, left. That's all right. That's all right. We'll make it. We'll make it. Don't be sucky.
I probably will leave it short.
Trash.
I will leave it short somehow.
Make it.
Oh no.
Spoken like a true Uncle Sam.
Oh
Hey guys, that one's good. You guys got that one. That
no!
one's
Thanks.
Don't worry about that one. That one's on the house.
Hole number 5 here. First hole from the Blues, and then we got one more hole from the Blues after this. Team Founding Fathers is 1 under. Team Beach Bums is even. And Team Uncle Sam is 1 over.
baby.
So we got a close match. We got 2 holes from the Blues, guys. Let's finish this thing up strong. Our bucks.
250.
Do it.
Yes.
Nice.
Good. Great shot.
Thank you.
That's huge.
All right.
How big a boy are you?
Attaboy. Get all over it.
Wow.
Yup. Yup.
A little short.
Yeah, that's pretty
All right. It was cool.
Let's go, baby.
2 great shots.
We're gonna keep doing it, boys. We said every good shot.
Yeah.
Oh.
That is a
Get
house
over
and a
it.
half.
Sweet. No, hit
Just
it.
hit the roof.
Hit
Just
it.
hit the roof. Hit the roof.
Where'd it?
I mean,
Oh.
nothing. You're good. And there's no house on the other side.
Oh my god. That's great. Shot
That'll
it.
work. That'll work.
Chunky.
Love it.
That's a good. That's a good team.
Love it.
That was best case scenario there, buddy.
Yeah.
It went backwards.
All over.
Wow.
Stay
Come on, left.
up,
Come on,
bunker.
left. Come on, left.
Get it right.
Come on now. That'll
Wow.
work. That'll work.
Shot.
Nice shot.
You
Ah,
got fade, golf ball.
All righty, boys. Let's see who can get off this hole with a par, huh?
Oh, baby,
Get
go.
there. Get there.
Go.
Get there. Get there. Nice.
That's pretty good.
Shot,
Pretty
dude.
good. Good shot.
Get up.
Crawl.
Get up. Get up.
Get some legs.
That'll work. Get up there.
If it crawls.
Get up there.
Check.
Keep going.
It's a good golf ball you're using. What you using there?
That's the last time I used a TP5. That's for darn sure.
You need something close to your bad. That's short. Oh, good ball.
Good job, Berg. Yes. Oh, nippy. Yes. Great ball. Shot, Colby. Freaking good shot, Colby. Great shot. You are. You're the best. Right here. Come on. I want you.
We're 1, but we're 1 up on Cooper and Ed, and we're 2 up on Braden.
They're even and they're 1 over.
Mhm.
And next hole's the last hole.
Founding Fathers. Crazy game out here.
God.
Okay, I'll get
Oh, baby. Wow. That is a great shot.
Let's go, baby.
That is huge.
Let's go.
That's my president.
Got it.
Yeah, dude.
That's my first
Come
president.
on.
Let's go. That is your first
That's my
president.
first president right there. That's my president.
Big putt.
Huge.
Big putt.
I did not want to punt that.
It did. It's a great one. Great.
Mm.
If I was strong enough, I'd do it.
That's what we're here for.
Beautiful. I missed it right.
No!
You guys make
Yeah, that's good.
Woo!
Uh-oh. Club down. Man, this is, hey. This is a battle. Would you want anything else right now? Would you want anything else?
Are you not entertained?
Are you not entertained? We're about to... I feel bad. Just defeated.
So, Team Founding Fathers are 1 under. Team Uncle Sam is 2 over. And Team Beach Bums is 1 over. Last hole here, we're playing from the blues. It's a par 5. Anybody's game. Let's close this thing out.
Even if we eagle and they par, we're screwed.
Yeah. Slam the door. Let's go. We tie. I poke one out in the fairway and you do your thing.
No, because that's 2 shots.
Why are they still thinking about it? You know? If we're like barely hanging on, they're like...
We're like nerves over here, and they're like...
They're closer. I mean, if it's player versus cart girl, I mean...
He's trying to beat us.
Let's get second!
Do you want to finish your quote?
What'd I say?
Something about legends, and then you stopped talking, and then you started again, and then Cooper started talking.
This is where legends.
You got it. Hey, you got it. You'll figure it out.
Words.
Legends never die.
Bunker. Gonna try to find a fairway.
We got a road, we got a...
Oh, I freaking felt it.
There's out. There's out.
All right, parts.
Benjamin Franklin was just so excited
My
to
bad.
see something like a road.
Yes.
Never saw it.
It's dead center.
What?
Yeah, you're rolling. Dead center, baby.
What? How did I not
Dead
see
center. Let's go.
How did I not see
Let's
that?
go.
Did you see it?
It was low. It was a bird.
It felt
It was a
low.
bird shot path.
Never saw it.
You need it left, I think. Just a hard pull left.
Coop, we have no clue.
It was low.
No help.
Cody?
No help.
8 guys back here. I mean, we were all watching.
Nice.
Pull left. That is gorgeous.
Let's go, Evan.
There you go. That is gorgeous, Evan.
Dang it! Needed that for the old noggin.
You got it, baby. You
Needed
got
that
it.
for the old noggin. If you know what
Colby,
I'm saying.
tee off.
Great ball.
Never saw it.
Uh-oh.
Towards the bunker.
Right bunker or left?
Probably be short of it.
Oh, you're fine.
I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna go for it. He's gonna go for it. I'm gonna
Sorry,
go for it.
Cody.
You're gonna go for it. He's gonna go
We'll
for
go
it.
for it.
Do you feel?
You're going for it?
Wow.
Oh, baby.
Never saw it.
There's no doubt about it.
Right
Or
bunker.
short
Right
of the
bunker.
beach. Do you want my tank top for the beach?
Great layup.
That's
Yeah,
a layup.
yeah, work. Great layup.
That's a
Great
layup.
layup.
What play, Bob? You can still birdie from there.
Never saw. Oh, there it
Yeah,
is.
it's fine.
safe as that one.
There you go. That's the best layup you
work.
could have.
Yeah.
That'll work.
All right.
There we go.
Very nice.
Professional layup right there. It's not even as good as Big Mac. Okay.
Hey, you gotta stop
Alright.
talking.
I thought you had
It's
a
my
practice
partner's
swing.
back
I had a
swing.
practice
That's-
swing.
that's
It's
F.
always quiet until I swing.
That's F.
I thought you had a
I
practice
hate
swing.
that so much.
Yep.
Seemed way too quiet. But gosh, that's so good. What'd you hit? A putter?
Perfect.
Yep.
Very nice parts. We are good.
Wow.
Let's go make a par.
You know what?
That's why they're first. That's why they're in the lead. They're freaking
All right,
good.
boys.
And they
Got
got
here. If you want to have a chance.
Oh, it might have.
My.
Come on.
Wow.
Let's go.
So good.
Let's go.
Wow.
Oh boy.
Good
Two good swings.
We can
there.
hit
Good
when
shot.
people talk our back swings.
Great shot.
Good job, Colby.
Braden.
Oh boy,
Right.
that was just
Nice
inches.
That was a great shot.
We're there though.
Good
Thank
shot,
you, Braden.
though.
Hey,
I'm sorry.
thank
Good
you,
shot.
Braden.
I
Very
really
good
thought
shot.
you were hitting it.
You're 21.
Yep.
So what is it?
So good.
That's really good,
That's
Bryce.
so good.
That's really good. Get there. Good bounce.
I'll take it.
Absolutely.
Nice shot. Nice shot.
Absolutely.
Oh.
Oh no.
Nice shot.
George!
That's what we're here for. Yep.
George!
Give me the sand.
I heard. Dude, that's nobody's fault.
Nice save,
The
Spider-Man.
hyperextension is on your partner.
Heard it. You, like, I thought I hit you.
Over the water.
As he's hitting.
He's
oh my
all
gosh.
over it. Evan.
Wow.
He's all over it.
Great shot. Coop.
Great shot.
What is wrong with you guys?
Dude, they're playing out of their freaking minds.
They are. What?
Oh, Ev.
Go right.
Come off the hill.
Right.
Come off the hill. Wrong.
Bad kick.
Just not
Womp,
what you're
womp,
looking for.
womp.
Not what you're looking
Hey,
for
can I have
when
your
you're down
bucket
to.
hat?
Huh?
I have it.
Hey, go ahead.
How much is it?
All right, we're on the last green here. Berg just threw one close. Here's what we got going on. Connor and I, Team Founding Fathers, are 1 under. Team Beach Bums are 1 over. And Team Uncle Sam is 2 over. They have this for eagle. Team Beach Bum has this for birdie. Founding Fathers has this for birdie. So we have a lot of outcomes still possible
Can't
here.
line it up on the fringe.
Last green.
George.
Good luck, fellas.
Okay. Not as slow as you think. It comes out pretty clean. The grain is with us this way.
I mean, good freaking putt. They ain't missing that one.
Mark it and don't talk for 30 minutes.
Shoot, they ain't missing that one.
Oh, sorry.
All right, Ev.
Sorry.
Gosh, dang it, Evan.
Oh! $20. $20.
I declare bankruptcy!
That's good. All right, you guys parred?
Nothing more American than an
right.
old-fashioned bankruptcy call.
I didn't say it, I declared it.
You're better than this. Knock it in. I almost went with the putter throw. Do it for the people back home, Berg.
Knock it in. Which one? The left one's the one we're playing, so you can move one. Yep.
Didn't see it.
Hey.
For the win.
Well,
For the
they have
win.
This is a three
George has got it.
Oh, baby. It's coming on the bin. Coming on the bin.
Get it. Tap it in.
Good win. Good win. Founding Fathers.
Let's go, baby.
Let's go.
Good job.
Good job.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks.
If anyone deserves it, it's the 100 pounds of clothes. I mean,
Yeah.
it's the Founding Fathers. The fact that they played that well consistently through the heat. It's only 86 degrees, but it feels like 106.
It does.
I mean, you guys.
It is
Round of
150
applause.
beneath my waist.
I mean, I went team cat in the hat by the end of it. You know, I mean, it was time to switch.
Do you want to do fair trade? This is Adidas. That's nice stuff.
All right, fellas, come here. All right, guys, that is it from us here at the Krue. Awesome 4th of July video. We had a blast. Red, white, and blue. Thank a veteran. Make sure you thank a veteran. There is a little twist here that I kind of saved for the end. We had a big prize, and I mentioned that.
Oh, dang it.
The prize here is a singular item, which means that the 2 partners now have a putt off to see who takes this prize home.
Yo!
This prize is in my backpack,
Let's get it out.
and this prize
Is some double bubble gum.
Hubba bubba.
is a
Big League Chew, half chown.
Michael Jordan signed golf ball
Hey, that's
With-
sweet.
a COA.
Oh,
Wow.
A certificate of
Authenticity.
acceptance.
Authenticity.
sweet.
Wow, Ron.
What?
Whoever wins this putt off takes this ball home.
Hey, Declaration of Independence, importance,
Yeah.
this putt.
Yeah.
It's really close.
And then
You too, you knew about it the whole time. No
and
wonder
then
you were
Michael-
playing so well.
Good Lord.
Okay. If I lay my eyes on that before we play, I'm a different person.
Hey,
I really think I'm a different
turning
person.
around, And I'm marking it with something
Who got winning, Bryce or Connor?
you won't be able to tell. Yeah, I like that.
Ooh, that's a good question. Okay. Who's been rolling them better? Bryce has been closer. I think Bryce, though, gets in his head a little bit.
Who's
His
going
channel, if you were to win.
Turn around, Bryce.
Connor by
Go.
a foot.
I'm afraid that Bryce is going to pull one out here. It's a little bit uphill, a little bit left to right, but it's a little fiddly at the end. So I think Connor's just going to run it, and Bryce is going to play it a little bit softer and just be short of it. So I got Bryce by 1 foot. Oh, and
Wait, Bryce.
Oh.
Connor wins! Connor wins!
Let's go.
Wow. I knew Ben wasn't very athletic. I knew it.
Let's go, dude. Oh my gosh.
What a spot.
Like, comment, subscribe. Let's send the crew to the moon and beyond, baby.
Here we go. Happy 4th of July.
America.
Woo!
Some people might think this is going to be hot. I say I don't care. Ask me why. Why? December 25th, 1880. Crossing the Delaware River. It was probably cold. If George Washington can be cold, I can be hot. He was leading his troops on a surprise attack against Great Britain for the greater good of this young country. The United States of America.